Hi, little chefs. Today, we have something super fun, the Imaginative pizza playset. Do you love pizza? I do too. Let's open the box and start making our own delicious pizza. Wow, look at all these cool pieces. Let's see what's inside. Here's the pizza base. It looks just like a real pizza. And these are the yummy toppings: mushrooms, tomatoes, pineapples, bell peppers, and more. Ooh, a pizza cutter. This will help us slice the pizza. And look, a spatula to serve. Now, it's time to make our very own pizza. Let's start with the pizza base. What should we put first? I think some cheese. Yummy! What's next? Let's make a super tasty pizza with all the toppings.
Pepperoni, pineapple, bell pepper, tomato, mushroom, basil,
Look at that! Doesn't it look delicious? Our pizza is ready. Now, let's slice it. 1, 2, 3. Wow, we have perfect slice. Here's a slice for you. Yum, yum. Who wants more pizza? That was so much fun. We made a super yummy pizza with the Imaginative pizza playset. I loved making it. Did you? What's your favorite pizza topping? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun playtime videos. See you next time. Bye.